Let's talk about balance. Balance is the way the elements of art are arranged to create a feeling of stability in a work of art. There's three different types of balance that we're going to talk about. There's symmetry, asymmetry, and radial symmetry. Symmetry is a mirrored image. If you draw a line down the center of the page or the artwork, all the objects on one side of the artwork are mirrored on the other side. Asymmetry occurs when an artwork appears unbalanced, and there are many ways to achieve asymmetry. You can have asymmetry by using contrasting elements and principles like sizes, values, or spaces. And then there's radial symmetry, and that's where all the elements radiate out from a center point in a circular fashion. There are multiple lines of symmetry. So what I want you to do down here first is I want you to label the different kinds of symmetry. And while you're doing it, think about where the lines of symmetry are. So let's go through it together. What do you think this one is? Is it symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial? Well, if I draw a line down the middle like this, that means it is symmetrical. I'm going to put the initial, but I want you to write the whole word. What about this one? Symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial? This one is asymmetrical. How about this one? Symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial? All right, I hope you said symmetrical. How about this one? Symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial? I hope you said asymmetrical. And last one, asymmetrical, symmetrical, or radial? This one is radial. And you can draw your lines of symmetry this way, or this way, or this way, or, oops, I put that in the wrong spot, or this way. All right, now down here, I want you to practice drawing something on your own that is symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. But I don't want you to use any of the examples that I've made. So practice drawing a symmetrical object, an asymmetrical object, and a radial object. And then at the bottom, I want you to circle the shapes that show a correct line of symmetry. So what is a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry divides a figure into two mirror halves. So which of these show correct lines of symmetry? This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. That was a trick question. They all do. All right, and just to show you a couple more examples, here are some images that are symmetrical. Here is radial, which is a form of symmetry, and here is asymmetry. I hope you have fun working with balance and symmetry or asymmetry in your artwork.